Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Safe mode starts with third-party apps disabled and a safe mode label shown. The only reliable exit method is a proper restart without pressing any volume keys. First, power off the phone fully using the power menu option on the screen. Do not hold volume up or down while booting. Remove any case, cable, or accessory that might press a button during startup. After that, power the phone back on normally and confirm the safe mode label is gone. Power off the Xiaomi phone using the on-screen power menu and wait 10 seconds. Confirm volume buttons are released and not stuck in position before powering on. If touch or case pressure keeps a button held, remove the case and try again. To force a reboot, press and hold the power button for 10 seconds until the screen shuts off. Then press power once to start the phone and watch the boot sequence for the absence of the safe mode label. If safe mode persists after restart and button checks, clear system caches from recovery mode. Power off, then press power and volume up together to enter recovery, then pick clear cache or wipe cache partition. Also uninstall any third-party apps installed in the last 24 hours and reboot normally. If the problem continues, back up your data and perform a factory reset from settings or recovery. A factory reset will remove persistent software issues causing safe mode, but it erases user data, so back up first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.